Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem your OneKeyCash reward on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right screen. Then tap One Key Reward or Reward to see how much OneKeyCash you have available to use. Go back to the home screen and start booking by entering your destination and travel dates. Then tap search. Pick the hotel, flight or package you want and tap select or continue. On the payment screen, look for the option to apply OneKeyCash or use reward. Tap that option to redeem your available OneKeyCash. You can decide how much of your OneKeyCash to use, either all of it or just some of it. After applying your OneKeyCash, fill in any remaining payment info. If the total isn't fully covered, then tap book now or complete purchase, and that's it. You have just redeemed your OneKeyCash on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.